got better.
Uh-oh. What's going to make him all better?
Because his engine is hot.
His engine?
Yeah.
Well, how are you going to fix that?
Because his engine is broken because he was driving.
Yeah, but how do you fix an engine that's broken?
Because there has a truck won't go anywhere until they have the long trail that has beer like this, like a long truck like this. Has a 415.
Yeah, but how are you going to fix the engine?
Can you fix the engine if 30 trucks broke down?
30 trucks broke down?
Yeah, and take them away is a tow truck.
That's right.
When they need to tow them, the trucks won't go anywhere until they have this ramp.
Right, and it goes on the back of the tow truck.
And it goes on the back of this car carrier.
Yeah, is he a car carrier or is he a flatbed tow truck?
He's this, if he goes like this, ride.
Oh.
And trucks, but some trucks love to drive, but some trucks can get wobbly when they come on this. Well, let him. He's right here. Well, let him.
Yep, I see him. What's your favorite kind of truck?
This truck.
Oh, that truck's your favorite kind of truck?
Yeah, that's my.
What's your favorite kind of truck yesterday?
The other truck that has 6 on it.
Oh, the one that went to the dump?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's back on the road.
All right, good.
Well, let him.
He's funny. Oh, don't go in the tub.
There's rust.
There's rust on it.
On his chest.
Oh,
I just gotta wash him
all right.
before he dries away.
Okay.